With Lukaku, with Lingard, time to take a touch, time to score. 2-0 for the team from Old Trafford, and Lukaku has made both.
We'll see.
Mina with the header, a wild volley from Van Dijk. It's awkward, and he bounces off the crossbar, and into the net! Would you believe it? Divock Origi has scored the winning goal in the 96th minute in the most bizarre circumstances.
Shaw's ball forward. Fellaini! Finally the breakthrough!
Maria, Mbappe going through the middle, Mbappe!
Lovely.
Faintest of touches, second goal for Paris Saint-Germain, and it's the French wonder boy who doubles their lead at Old Trafford on the hour.
رقم المباراة شامل عمراني، وادي امامنا هنا فرصة، والالمان يخلصوها جوزي امامنا هنا في غفلة. الالمان والمثابرة الدائمة والمحاولات الدائمة للوصول الى المرمى، وبالفعل هذه المرة استلام من جوزي.
Pedro Neymar يسدد جول.
Lovren up from the back, and it goes towards Lovren, who gets up high, and it's in, it's Mane, and Liverpool are level, and the stadium in Kiev explodes into a sea of red. Three in the box waiting for the cross, and it was Bale. Oh, what about that from Gareth Bale? Off the fence with a fabulous finish. Forward by Banega, Messi collects, Messi scores!
Time from Salman. Back in again, free header! And Russia score the opening goal of the World Cup. It's Kaczynski who rises highest. And a better start the host nation couldn't have wished for.
Заканчивается. Роналду в дальний угол. 3-2! 3-2! Реал!
Miles corner, Morata's header, slammed in, and Atletico now do have their lead.
amazing goal!
Now on the Paris Saint-Germain defence, it's Neymar trying to feed it through, it's a stretch, and it's in! And I can't remember the last time I saw something like this! Extraordinary scenes at the Nou Camp! Sergio Roberto, the substitute, is the hero of the hour, and it is the greatest Champions League knockout comeback of all time!
With that free kick, here comes Ede. Not got much help. Oh, he doesn't need any help. How about that? The striker who rarely scores has scored maybe the biggest goal in the history of the Portugal national team.
Oh, can you believe that? Is that the icing on the cake or what? What a goal! What an absolute missile!
Allí, ojo el balón, el centro para Pele y gol. A casa. Se mete Italia en cuartos de final y la campeona de Europa en 2008 con el gol de Torres en Viena.
He leaves one, he leaves two for that. Takes on three, takes on four, beats the goalkeeper. You're just lost for words. He is just brilliant. George Best, Diego Maradona, Johan Cruyff, they're all getting outshone by this incredible little man.
And then Ronaldo!
What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty!
My word, if you pipe up to us, all the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding.